Students, as you can tell, I am recording this from home. Um, I have not. I'm in my pajamas. That's what you're supposed to do when you're home on the video. I wanted to. This is a kind of a introduction video. I want to talk about the changes that are going to happen to the MSA program because of the coronavirus. First, just be safe. This is going to get nasty, and it's going to get nasty quickly. So please just stay home, self isolate, use this time to connect with family, catch up on Netflix binge watching, read books, um, but just be careful, be safe. There are some changes to the MSA program I want to talk about. One is that I'm going to communicate through Canvas. Um, we do have your Barton email address, but I'm going to communicate, and it does use, Canvas uses that, but I'm going to use everything through the Canvas inbox. So if you will have turned off Canvas notifications, then you may not know that a message has been sent. So you might want to go into your Canvas and click on to turn on Canvas notification. I'm doing this for a couple reasons. One is to do mass emails, the choice is to do Canvas or to go through the Barton Connect Ed page and to go into the faculty tab, and that's just a little more awkward. So it's much easier to do mass emails through Canvas. And the other reason, more important reason, is with us doing all online as Barton College, we have to have SAC's approval. And so we need to prove that we have continued to teach the goals of the course. We need to prove that we are actually doing this. So emailing through Canvas means everything is stored in Canvas along with the course content and that our course objectives have been met. So we're doing it really just for documentation for SACs too. Please do check daily Canvas course. I know that many of you wait till Sunday to do your work, but just kind of every day, just click on Canvas and see if there's a new message or what's been posted. Another change because of COVID-19 is we will have no more face-to-face classes. We probably had 2 or 3 left in each class. Instead, I'm going to try and do interactive lecture videos. And I'm going to try and post them on Wednesday or Thursday. So keep a lookout for those. They're going to be lectures, there's going to be some video, there's going to be some interaction with you. I am not going to do synchronous meetings where we all get on a group meeting at the same time. And I'm not going to do that for a couple reasons. One is I'm not sure I know how. But the more important reason is with this, what's happening in America today, I'm not sure what's happening to all of you and your families. You may have children home. You may have a loved one or spouse that is having to work or is not working. There may be family you're looking after. So to me, it's just asking a little too much to have all of you sit in front of a computer at a specific time for a couple hours to have that interaction. I know you're going to miss the live face-to-face. I will too. That's the part I enjoy the most. But in my live lectures or interactive lectures, I'm going to try and continue to offer application on how we apply what we've talked about in the textbook. But again, just every Wednesday or Thursday, look for it. I will send out a little message reminding you that it's been posted. Another change is there's no more late penalties. So if you don't get something in on time, that's okay. Still trying to do that. That way you won't get too far behind. But if you're some okay late, that's fine. Now this is everything turned in after last Sunday. With one caveat, and that being the end of the semester is still the end of the semester. So whatever I don't have turned in at the end of the semester will be given a 0 because I can't go beyond the semester. As a principal, as a school administrator, you're going to face adversity, whether it's a student dying, a staff member dying, whether it's, who knows what. COVID-19 is a perfect example. None of us saw this coming 6 months ago. Well, out of adversity always comes opportunity. And in this case, the opportunity is, at least for me, is it's forcing me or giving me an opportunity to really expand my repertoire of technological tools. I'm going to try a lot of different things. I'm going to spend this time learning some new tools and techniques to make the online component of the course much more interesting and engaging. Remember, though, I'm tech ignorant. And so a lot of these I may try and may not work exactly right to begin with. Just be patient with me. With this opportunity, though, I hope that between now and the end of this semester, that in the future courses, my online presence will be much more active for you, much more engaging, and more than just the typical read an assignment, submit assignment, get a grade, do a discussion. So that's that. Again, the main thing is be safe. In the future, I'll probably not wear my pajamas, but who knows? I might actually dress up. So just, again, be safe, and you know how to get in touch with me. You have my emails, you have my phone numbers, you have my text. I will be going to the office one day a week. I will let you know ahead of time what that day is going to be. A lot's going to depend on the weather. And I'll let you know a day or two ahead of time that I'll be at Barton if you need to reach me there. And if you ever have any questions, also Dr. Enos is much more willing to answer any questions too. So just again, be safe and be careful. Thank you.